We are live at the U.S. Supreme Court, where historic arguments are about to unfold, testing former President Donald Trump's unprecedented claim of absolute immunity from criminal prosecution for his attempts to overturn his 2020 election defeat. The outcome could determine if the presumptive Republican presidential nominee's federal election subversion trial happens before this year's 2024 election or at all. I'm Caitlin Collins, outside of the High Court.
And I'm Anderson Cooper, overlooking the Manhattan Criminal Courthouse. While the Supreme Court hears Donald Trump's immunity case, the former president is here in New York City in the midst of his first criminal trial for a hush money scheme allegedly aimed at helping his 2016 presidential campaign. The leadoff witness, former National Enquirer executive David Pecker, resumes his testimony soon. We're covering both of these monumental cases in the hours ahead.
I'm Jake Tapper in Washington, and this is CNN's special coverage, the Trump immunity battle at the U.S. Supreme Court. About an hour from now, oral arguments will begin in Donald Trump petitioner versus the United States, and the nation's highest court will confront landmark questions. At issue, Trump's claim that he has blanket immunity from criminal prosecution for his conduct on January 6 and other efforts to stay in power because he contends those were official acts as president. Those are arguments that lower courts have rejected. The stakes of this case are enormous, not only for Mr. Trump and the current presidential race, but for American democracy moving forward. The 9 justices, including 3 justices appointed by Mr. Trump, have the power to set constitutional precedent that could have a lasting impact on the ability to hold sitting and former presidents accountable to the rule of law. Or, in Donald Trump's view, the court's ruling could potentially clear the way for presidents to conduct official business without the fear of frivolous prosecution. Let's check in with CNN's senior Supreme Court analyst Joan Biskupic outside the High Court right now.